Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to launch an app install ads campaign using Google Ads. So we're going to focus more on promoting an Android app. It's quite much easier. You know, Google owns the Android system. So believe me, they made it much easy for you to launch an app install ads campaign leveraging Google advertising platform. Don't forget to visit the description section to access more exclusive content on Google advertising. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. Let's get started. So we'll visit ads.google.com. Next, you click on sign in. So if you don't have an account, you could click on start now. That is in creating a Google Ads account. So you can also create a new one by clicking on new Google Ads account. Take note, if you're creating a new account, there's a verification you have to do where they're going to bill you about $10, but it's refundable. Okay, so we're going to select the ad account. So this is for people who have already set up their ad accounts on Google. So I'm going to select this one. So we're going to do an app install. So this one is actively running. So it has made over 10,000 app install. Okay. Yeah, over. Okay, so you click on create at the top left. There, click on campaign. So we're going to name it a new campaign. Next, we scroll down, get more installs, engagements, and pre for your app. So you click on app promotion. Okay. So these are the objectives. So you click on app install. Then you select, is it Android or iOS? So we go for Android. So look up your app, the package name, publisher, or Play Store URL. So I'm going to search. So this is the app we want to promote. Next, we give it a campaign name. So let's call it April 2026 installs. Then we'll click on continue. So we are going to be targeting a specific country, not all countries of the world. So enter another location. So we're going to select this one. We click on include. So we're going to select another language apart from English is already selected. So what we're going to do is to add French because they speak French, and to a greater percentage, people who can speak English would know how to speak French. All right. So this is for EU political ads. So we're not doing anything regarding EU for now. This is a specific ad account. All right. Next, the start and end date. We're going to leave that. We're not going to set any end date. So we'll click on next. Okay, here's the ad group. Now we are going to input headlines. Okay, so let's copy this one. These are Google Notes. It's actually good to prepare for your ads. Okay, so we paste here. Okay, it's too long. So we're going to use ChatGPT. So if you open a new tab and visit chatgpt.com, then we are going to prompt it. So we can we would ask it to help us generate copies we can use for Google Ads that meets the requirements. So what I'm going to do is to upload some of the creatives that are already in French. So this makes the work a bit faster. So I'm going to select this one and upload. So click on open after selecting. Then we'll select, I think we could select 2 more if you're using free trial or the free plan on ChatGPT. So select these 2 then. Okay, let's just add this. Okay, so just basically giving it an instruction to make headlines for Google Ads, and it shouldn't exceed the limit. I also want it to be in French. You should also give me the English interpretation, so I know what I'm putting in there. All right, so it's working on it now. Okay, so I'm taking number 2. So this is one advantage of AI. So I'm gonna go back there and paste this. So headline number 2. So next is going to be for description. So it's same process whether you're using English. It's quite easy. So I'm going to add image. You say add up to 20 recommended. So click on add. We are going to be uploading You said so. We go to upload, upload from computer. So I'm gonna select this one. This one, 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 this one. Then open. Let me upload more. So I'm gonna go back. Okay. Okay, let's just add this too. Okay, so we selected all 20. So click on. Okay, so click on save. So you can preview some of them. Okay, that's all for now. We'll just focus on this one. No, we're gonna leave this. We're just focusing on app install. Okay, so click on next. Yeah, install volume. Let's turn this off. Okay, you can also set a bidding. If I wanted to set a bidding, I'm going to try 0.04 or 0.03, or as recommended 0.06. But you could allow the system to decide. Set your average daily budget for this campaign. So let's do $20. Okay, then we'll click on next. So this is final review. Okay, so let me verify this. So let's check out the yellow alert color we're seeing. Okay, so for this audience signal, we can ignore it. It's not necessary. So let's just keep it, then we publish. So we're going to ignore the audience signal and click on publish campaign. So you're going to wait for it to be approved. Then it's going to start delivering. So you click on campaigns. Select all campaigns. Okay. Yeah. So you're going to see the old one. So this is the new one. So the old one has about 17K installs. So CPA cost per is 0.05.